I like this story. High school science projects are reaching new heights. Here's a case in point. 4 local students sending their experiment to the limits of the Earth's atmosphere. And now they're the newest and the youngest scientists to test the front door of space.
All right, we're good. Here we go. Yeah! It's going to go really fast.
With a nudge from Mother Nature, the balloon lifted to new heights.
Yeah! Nice.
It's the culmination of a year-long project by 4 science students at Studio City's Harvard-Westlake School.
When I saw what the MIT students did, I thought that was really cool. They did a $150 budget, getting pictures from 90,000 feet, and it seemed something like we could do it.
They gave it a try.
So here's the initial prototype.
They used an egg to test their parachute design.
We also put the egg in the shoe once and dropped that. That didn't go too well. I hope the shoe's okay.
Cut off these ends.
With duct tape, zip ties, and a styrofoam container, they built a balloon basket. But the takeoff required a green light for a flight from the FAA.
It's tough because it's a bureaucracy. You have to call and they give you a different number. We got about 20 different numbers. You keep calling different people.
They got the all clear and they launched the balloon.
A downdraft came and blew it into a telephone wire, which popped the balloon and ruined the first attempt.
They tried again a month later with a professional weather balloon and a GPS system.
Then we have the cell phone with the GPS, so we were able to track the location.
It's fun to see what we can do, push the limits, and see how high we can send the camera.
Okay, here we go.
And see if we get the curvature of the Earth on video.
The onboard camera captured action 80,000 feet above the high desert outside Lancaster.
It started over here, and it was slowly drifting up. And then when the dots on the map are more condensed, that's when it reached the highest point in its flight.
The balloon broke as planned, and the device parachuted to the ground. But where did it land?
It was as close to the middle of nowhere as is possible.
We finally found it. At one point, we were going to call in a helicopter.
And then we just saw the balloon laid out. We stopped the car, and we all just got out of the car and started cheering.
Yeah! We found it!
It was intact.
Oh my God, it's hot. The cell phone. Yeah! The camera.
For their teacher, the experiment was a life lesson.
This is the point of the class. It's not to put any barriers. It's actually to encourage the students to pursue and to go to great heights. And basically they did.
Oh, that's great. Wow.
Yes!
People who were flying that Saturday were being advised to watch out for the wayward balloon. I know, I was up there. All 4 students will be attending some pretty powerful universities: MIT, Penn State, Amherst, and Columbia Engineering. This story came to us from a viewer just like you. So if you have a great story